Hi there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. For those of you who are new here, and on this channel I talk about all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, but mainly fashion. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys, as you can see from the title, Gucci unboxing. I just got back from the Gucci store, and so I just thought I would share my items that I purchased at the Gucci store with you guys. I was gonna wait and do it with my birthday haul, but I'm really excited to start wearing these pieces. So I guess you can just call this like my pre-birthday haul, I guess, if we need to title it anything, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys all the little goodies that I just recently got from Gucci for my birthday, I guess. So yeah, if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. All right, so this is the bag here, and I live in Georgia. For those of you who are new here, I live in the Atlanta, metro Atlanta area. So the nearest Gucci for me is probably about 45 minutes at Phipps Plaza. And so yeah, I've shopped there before. I went there actually for my birthday last year, so I just thought, just to continue on in the tradition, because I love the Gucci brand, I just figured let me just go back there, and because I had such a good experience. And so yeah, so we're just gonna get right into the items. I only got 3 items, and yeah, so let me just get into the first item. And like I said, I just got back, like literally 30 minutes ago. I just got back. So so the first item is in this little box here, and I just love I love the experience of going to the store, because they just box up everything so nice and just elegant and just, you know, sophisticated, and just, yeah, just I love that experience. So yeah, here's the box, and so here's the little dust bag. And this wasn't like on my wish list or anything. I just went in the store just to go see what I can see, and I knew there was one particular item that I've had on my wish list that I wanted to get, but I'll share that with you. So the first thing I got is another wallet, and I just thought this is really nice, just really cute. And I love this one. I have one in black that I got for my birthday last year, and so I knew I wanted like a brown one, because I love, you know, neutrals, and I tend to wear like black or brown with every outfit, like what I have on today. So but yeah, so I just have this wallet, and I love like the Gucci symbol on it and the Gucci logo. And then this is what the back looks like. So you can put like, I guess you can put a few cards in here. This one is a lot more flexible than the black one that I have. I have an all black one with the little Gucci symbol on the front. Actually, let me just show it to you. So yeah, I have this one already that I got for my birthday, and this one is a little bit more stiffer than this one. I mean, they're both about the same size. So I wanted another one that I can use for, actually, for the next item that you're gonna see. This is why it'll make sense once you see the other item. But yeah, so I wanted another one because this one doesn't fit all my cards. Not that I have a lot, but I can fit more cards in here, or add some more cards in here. And so yeah, like I said, this one you can put some cards here, and then here on the side you can put, like the sales associate was saying, you can put like cash in here, which I don't really carry cash, but you can put cash in here or put additional cards. So I'm a nurse, so I'll probably put like my certifications in here, because I do have another card that I have that I put like my certifications and all that stuff in there. So I'll probably use this to put my certifications in, and like a few more little cards. So yeah, so I love this one, really nice and cute. And yeah, so yeah, that one I really was just like a, you know, let me get that because it goes with the next item, or one of the items that I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, so that's the first item. So love that, and then we'll save the best one for last. So the next item comes in this little box here, and again, I love the little, you know, detail that they do, that they go through to tie everything up and wrap everything up nice and neat, and just perfect for my birthday. So here it is, and here is the packaging. And so I have some tights, the Gucci tights. I have these as well in black, and I wanted them in this neutral color. I've been seeing it and just thought this will be really nice to wear with neutral outfits. So, or like, you know, creams and beiges and tans and taupes. So I thought these would look cute. And actually I could just, you know, wear these underneath like trousers, and just like let this pop through my trousers, because I do have like some trousers that they're not like really long. They kind of like, what do you call them, like kind of cool, not culottes, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm tall, so a lot of my pants don't go all the way down to my ankle, which is fine. but in the wintertime it's too cold, so I like to have some kind of layering. So I thought this would be nice. So yeah, so these are the Gucci tights, and love these. And like I said, these were on my wish list. Like, I actually wanted to get these. So so that's one thing off my wish list for the year. So they're really, really nice and soft. And I have, like I said, I got these in black last year, and I will say the fabric on this is much more softer than the black one. So if you're interested in the black, which I don't even know if the black ones are still available, but if you're interested in the black ones, let me just say those a little bit more rougher on your, like, on your skin. Not really on your skin, but when you like rub it, like it's like textured and rough, but this is very smooth. So I would say if you were deciding to get between the black ones or these, I would get these. But I guess it just depends on what you wear. Like, if you wear a lot of black, it would make sense to get the black ones. But if you wear a lot of neutral, it makes sense to get the neutral. I wear both, so that's why I wanted to get both. So yeah, so that is the next item. So that's one thing, like I said, that I had on my wish list that I have, you know, checked off now. So so yeah, so I got those. And then the last item I got is in this big old box here. And this, like, again, this wasn't on my wish list, but I knew I wanted to get another Gucci bag for my birthday. Now, let me just say, I actually got, which you guys won't even get to, I didn't even want to do like a video on it. I had purchased a YSL bag because I wanted to try out YSL, right? Just trying to do something different. And so I had purchased one. I purchased the YSL, I think it's the Lulu bag, or the, what is this, like the smallest of the Lulu bags, I think. And I got it in like a cream color. And so anyway, I purchased it from online on Nordstrom. And then when I got it, one of the straps was missing. And so I went through customer service several times trying to get them to replace it. And it was just a hassle. And plus the bag was just too small. So I was like, you know what, I'm the type that, you know, I don't mind spending money on things, on nice things, but if I don't like it like immediately, then yeah, I'm not gonna keep it. Like, because, you know, luxury things cost too much for you to just for them to just sit in your closet, especially when you're buying them brand new. So yeah, they cost too much to just be sitting in the closet and you're not wearing them. And I knew that I would probably never wear that bag because it was just small. Like my iPhone would fit. I'll try to pop a picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about, of the Lulu bag. And on the website, the bag looked bigger for some reason on the website than when I actually got it. It's like a mini bag. And so my phone, you know, I tried to put my phone in, which my phone would fit, but it was just too small. Like, it was a tight squeeze. So anyway, long story short, or I don't know, I've already told you the story, so it's not long story short. But anyway, so that's the bag that I was going to do a whole video on. So, but I was like, you know what, it's not even worth doing a video on that bag because I ended up returning it and I didn't like it. So there was no need for me to even do you know, a video on that bag. So anyway, so I took that bag back and then went around to the Gucci store to see. I was like, let me just stick to what I know, right? Let me just stick to the brands that I know. Like, maybe I'll go and get a YSL bag, but right now, like, that's just, YSL isn't really on my radar right now, really. Like, I love Gucci. I love their items. They're just, to me, they're nice, you know? So maybe I'll get the YSL, want to get one of those YSL Lulu bags, but as of right now, nah. Yeah, I didn't have a good experience with my first purchase, so I'll just stick to what I know. So anyway, so here is the bag, and yeah, it is a bag. I don't even think I told you guys. Yeah, it's a bag. So let's see if we can get this box open here, or let me see how to even open this. Here, it opens on the side. So so here it is right here, and then it comes in this little dust bag. So let's open it up. And here she is. So this bag, like I said, it wasn't like on my wish list or anything. I just went in the Gucci store, like I said, just to see what I could see. I'm just tying it up right now, so or just, you know, buckling it up right now, just so I can show you guys in its full glory. But yeah, this wasn't on my wish list or anything, but I knew I wanted another Gucci bag similar to this print, because I have one in like a different type of GG print, and I knew I wanted one in this kind of GG print. And so here it is. And actually, let me see if I can like show you guys, like give you guys like the name of the bag, so that in case you want to look it up online. All right, so this bag is called the Ophidia GG Small Shoulder Bag. So Ophidia, I'll try to put the name on the screen so that you guys can see it, but yeah, it is the Ophidia GG. I think this is actually, yeah, this is the small shoulder bag. Yeah, so so yeah, I like this one because it's nice and spacious, and you know, it's not too, it's not too big and it's not too small, so it's just like the perfect size. So this is, let me take all the stuffing out of it so you guys can kind of see. Like, it is really nice and big, and like you can fit a whole lot of stuff in here. And then it has like the little zipper here that you can put, little compartment here that you can put things in if you need to. And so I saw this bag and I just knew I had to have it. Like, I knew I had saw it online before I actually went to the Gucci store, because we had to wait. Like, I had to wait. I got there early, got to the mall early, and I was trying to wait until the store opened because it was closed when I got to the mall. So as I was standing in line, I just was kind of, you know, perusing the website to kind of see, kind of get an idea of what I wanted to kind of touch and feel. Because that's one thing about when you're purchasing something very, you know, pretty expensive, you want to be able to touch it and feel it and, you know, put it on you and see how you like it. And so I think that's why I didn't really like that YSL bag, because I hadn't, you know, seen it up front, you know, seen it up close. And so, yeah, so it was just like, yeah. But anyway, so I wanted to kind of, I went on the website and kind of look through and see, you know, what I wanted to kind of look, you know, look at in the store. So I saw this one and I was like, yeah, I want to see that one. And they just so happened to have it in stock. So this is just a really nice bag. I feel like this is a bag that I'll have for years again, you know, and, you know, be able to pass down to my daughter if I get tired of it, or, you know, resell it. But it's just, to me, it's like a classic. It's one of their classic bags, you know, and so I feel like I'll have it for years. And let me show you the, so now you see why I got the wallet. It makes sense right now why I got another wallet to go with this one. But yeah, so they match perfectly. So yeah, just thought that was really cute. So but yeah, so I'm looking forward to wearing this bag and styling it up. Like, you can wear it crossbody, which is one of the reasons why I really wanted to get it, is because I wanted to be able to wear it crossbody so that it will be more of like an everyday bag. You know, of course you can wear it on your shoulder. So I'm 5'7", so, but I have a short torso, but it's not like too long on me as far as if I wear it on my shoulder. But I would definitely probably wear this crossbody. So yeah, so love it. So this is these are my pre-birthday gifts to myself, I guess you could say. And yeah, this is like my treat me gift, I guess, for the year, because last year Gucci was my treat me gift last year too. So I guess Gucci continues to be my treat me gift. So so yeah, so those are all the items that I just recently got from Gucci for my pre-birthday, I guess I should say. So stay tuned. So I will be doing like a birthday haul with all the things that I purchased for myself for, you know, this month. I've been buying stuff really all month for myself, but I wanted this to be a dedicated video so that I can, you know, kind of do like a pre-birthday video. But my actually birthday haul hopefully will be coming up pretty soon. You guys will see that one, I think. If not the next video, then the video after the next. But yeah, I'll show you all the things that I got for my birthday for this year. So yeah, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the pieces, and everything that I showed you I will link down below. And because all these items are on the website, so if you want to get them on the website. But yeah, I'm definitely am very excited to start rocking it. Actually, I'm gonna wear this today because it looks good with my outfit. Like, I have a neutral outfit on, and that's what the sales associate was saying. She's like, this looks good with the outfit that you had on, because I had a neutral outfit. So yeah, so I'm going to use this today, take this, you know, put all my stuff in here and start, you know, using this today. And yeah, so I'm so excited. And yeah, this was my treat me gift for the year. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, don't forget to you know, check out my birthday haul that will be coming up soon. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, because I am going to be doing probably more luxury hauls, more so on this channel, because I'm trying to get more into, you know, more so into luxury items and designer pieces, just because, you know, I'm getting older, and I just want to have nice things, you know, and you know, that I'm into that nice, you know, sophisticated vibe going on. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.